Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed comparison of Shopify and Etsy, two of the most popular platforms that people use to sell products online. If you're thinking of starting an online business, selling handmade products, digital items, or even building a serious e-commerce brand, this video is for you. We'll break down everything step by step, from a deep overview to main features to pricing, the pros and cons, and at the end, I'll help you decide which selling platform is right for you. What is Shopify all about? Shopify is a complete e-commerce platform that allows you to create your own online store from scratch. You get your own website, your own domain name, your own branding, and full control over how your store looks and functions. With Shopify, you're not joining a marketplace. You're building your own digital storefront. You decide the design, the customer experience, how products are displayed, and how customers move through your checkout process. Shopify is designed for people who want to build a long-term brand, whether you're selling physical products, digital products, subscriptions, or even services. You can sell online, on social media platforms, through messaging apps, and even in physical locations using Shopify's point of sale system. Think of Shopify as owning your own shop on a private street. You control everything, but you're also responsible for bringing customers in. Now let us talk about Etsy. Etsy, on the other hand, is a global online marketplace. You don't build a standalone website. Instead, you open a shop inside Etsy's platform and list your products along millions of other sellers. Etsy is best known for handmade items, vintage products, personalized goods, and craft supplies. Buyers visit Etsy specifically looking for unique or creative items, which means there's already traffic on the platform. When you sell on Etsy, you benefit from built-in visibility and an existing audience, but you have far less control over branding, layout, and customer relationships. Think of Etsy like renting a stall inside a massive shopping mall. The foot traffic is there, but you're sharing attention with many other sellers, and Etsy makes the rules. Now, let us talk about the main features of both platforms. With Shopify comes packed with tools designed to help businesses grow. They have a powerful website builder with customizable themes, full control over product pages, over checkout, branding, inventory, and other order management from one dashboard. There's also a built-in payment process and support for third-party gateways. There's ability to sell on multiple channels like social media and in person. You have access to thousands of apps for marketing, automation, drop shipping, SEO, and more, and advanced analytics that track sales, customer behavior, and growth as well. Shopify really is built for scaling, and as your business grows, the platform grows with you. How about Etsy? Etsy focuses more on simplicity and discovery. It has a very easy shop setup. There's no knowledge of tech that is required. There's built-in marketplace traffic from millions of active buyers, a simple product listing system, Etsy ads also to boost product visibility, the messaging system to communicate directly with buyers, and the seller app that lets you manage orders from your phone. Etsy removes many technical barriers, making it ideal for beginners, hobby sellers, and creatives who want to focus more on making products than running a website. What is the pricing of both platforms like? For Shopify, there's a plan to start for free and then enjoy $1 per month for the first 3 months. Now, this plan applies to all the plans. The basic plan, which costs $19 per month, the Grow plan at $54 per month, the Advanced plan at $299 per month, and the Plus plan at $2,300 per month. For the first 3, you can start for free and pay $1 for the first 3 months. And if you want to do just social media and messaging apps or a simple online store, that's the starter plan at $5 per month and the retail plan at $89 per month. Now with Etsy, there is no fixed subscription. It's a pay-as-you-go model. No required monthly subscription to open a basic shop, but you pay fees when you list and you sell products. So what are the pros and cons of using both platforms? The pros: for Shopify, you have full ownership of your brand and websites, highly customizable design and features. There are strong tools for scaling and automation, and you sell across multiple platforms from one dashboard. And the pros of Etsy? Extremely easy to start selling. You have access to an existing customer base and no need to build or design a website. It is great for handmade, vintage, and creative products. How about the cons? For Shopify, the monthly subscription can be demanding even if sales are low because you have to pay your monthly subscription. You must handle your own marketing and traffic, and if you're a beginner, it might feel a little overwhelming for you. And the cons of Etsy? Over time, there might be higher fees per sale, and there's limited branding and customization. There's also the potential of having to compete with similar sellers. So which one should you choose? Well, here's the honest truth. Shopify and Etsy are not competitors in traditional sense. They serve different stages and goals. But choose Etsy if you're just starting out, if you sell handmade, creative, or vintage products, or you want quick exposure without marketing skills, or you're just testing product ideas. However, you use Shopify if you want to build a real brand, if you want to scale long term, if you want full control over your store and customers and you don't want to depend on the marketplace. Well, a lot of smart sellers actually use both, Etsy for discovery and Shopify as their main brand store. And that's it on the comparison of Shopify and Etsy. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore WooCommerce, BigCommerce, and Amazon Handmade. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.